And now for our feature presentation.
Who said being vegan was boring? YouTube, it's your boy Naturally Native. Sorry I have not been on lately. A lot of things been going on, y'all, but I'm back here for y'all, and I'm about to drop another recipe for y'all. This is actually probably the first recipe I dropped for y'all on YouTube. That's wild, I know. But I'm gonna definitely put this link in the bio. If you ain't trying to listen to the whole thing, you on the road, I feel you. Go ahead and do what you gotta do. Hit the link on the bio. If not though, let's get it popping on how to make some sherbet. Preferably. Sorry. Guys, this is honestly one of my favorites because it's real easy to make. It only takes just 3 ingredients, literally. Simple recipe or whatever. It's perfect for the summer. If you ain't trying to, you know, go eat some ice cream or whatever, this, like I said, is very like low in calories, so it ain't finna, you know, it ain't like sugary in them because you making it from scratch, you feel me? All you need is a food processor or a blender. And from there, you basically straight, bro. But let's get it popping. You're gonna need lemon juice or just lemons, frozen strawberries of any kind. Mines are fresh, I just cut them up, and blue agave. And next up, y'all, just blend it all together. It's gonna take a few minutes for it to really get to like the sorbet sherbet type of thing because it is frozen strawberries and you're gonna have to blend it for a little bit for it to chop it all up. Just give it some time and eventually it'll start to look like this. Yeah, so this is the finished product, y'all. Let's get it. For the mango recipe, y'all, you're gonna use the same ingredients. However, I actually like to leave the agave out because mangoes are naturally just sweeter than strawberries, so you don't need it. However, you can still use agave if you would like to. I only use about 1.5 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with the mango, and that's pretty much all I use. And at first, it's going to take a little bit long to the mango to blend up, but eventually, it should blend like this. And y'all, that is the finishing product. It looks so good, y'all. Oh my God. All right, guys, so we're going to give this a try. Let's try right here. Gonna get a little taste. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, this smacking. Now, if you're wondering why I'm using this cup, it's just because I like to trick my mind, you feel me, to make me think that I like got this from like a, you know, an ice cream shop or whatever. But this is real dope. If you do decide to eat this, make sure that you do not eat too fast because as you just saw, I had a brain freeze, so just be cool that you don't, you know. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video if you like this. And if you have to ask me a question or anything, drop a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you really doing? You feel me? I'll see what I'm doing. Eating this. Peace.